Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you something exciting. It is the world of AI and sentiment analysis using Python and my trusty sidekick, Cluck Norris, to explain what I did in this project. Because when emotions run high, nothing calms you down like the squeaking of a rubber chicken. So what exactly is sentiment analysis? Well, imagine you read a text like, I love pizza, or Mondays are the worst. What if there was a way to figure out if these comments were happy, sad, or just neutral? That's where sentiment analysis comes in. Next, I want to show you a program that I made from Neural 9's video, link in the description below, with very few lines of code that can actually do sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the process of using AI to determine the emotional tone behind a series of words. It's like asking your computer to be a part-time therapist. First, I imported some Python libraries, which you can see right here. Libraries are kind of like ingredients in a recipe, but instead of cookies, you get a fully baked AI model. Don't worry, chicken, no actual baking involved. I used NLTK, which stands for Natural Language Toolkit, which helps text blob understand and calculate the sentiment. Additionally, we also have Newspaper 3K right here, which helps us import any article from the internet for this model to understand it.
But Alexander, coding is so hard. Where do you get the sentiment from?
Now, if we scroll down, we can find the main part which calculates our sentiment, which is right here. Basically, how it works is that text blob will analyze the text and spit out a number between -1 and 1. -1 being very negative, and 1 being very positive, which means 0 is completely neutral.
Okay, that's very good. But what if I want to put my own text in?
This code can also be modified into one right here that understands the text that you feed in. Let's try an example. I'll feed the code in some text like a product review, and let's see what it says. Now let's put in a really good product review. It was great. I will definitely buy more of it. Excellent experience. Now, if we save that and run our code, it will give us a score of 0.875, which means it's way more positive than negative, meaning a very positive sentiment.
Wow, Alexander, that's amazing. I love having a great product review.
Of course, let's see what happens when we hit the dark side. Now we're going to give an example of a very bad product review. It's destroyed my life. I'll keep putting these slashes. I don't know why. I would never buy it again. Worst experience ever. Now, if we save that and input into the code and we run it, it'll give us -1, which means it is a very negative text.
Oh, that's very interesting. Now, even though I can't read, I can tell who's good to me or who's bad to me.
So that's the basics of sentiment analysis. Easy, fun, and even a rubber chicken can understand it. This technology is used in so many places. Businesses use it to analyze customer feedback, social media platforms use it to analyze trends, and you can use it to analyze your friend's text and see who's the most passive-aggressive.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and squeak for future projects.